Perfect.
Alright, welcome back everyone. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the first portion of the video. A real quick unboxing and a real quick feature and spec rundown of the Audio-Technica ATH-M20xBT truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. Now, in this portion of the video, I'm just going to give everyone my overall first impressions, and then we're going to wrap the video up. Alright? So, all I've done since recording the first part of the video and this part of the video is charge up the headphones, and then I just put them back in the box and gave y'all that true unboxing experience, as I always do. So now, without further ado, let's get into my first impressions. Now, starting off here, I gotta tell y'all, I am super excited to be taking a look at these headphones. The price on these finally came down to a point to where they were affordable for me to pick them up, and I've been dying to bring these in and do some testing on the channel. And to me, these are affordable, high performance headphones. So these headphones, in my opinion, have all the features and functionality that I look for in a pair of headphones. So you can use them wirelessly and wired. And more importantly, they're supposed to be extremely comfortable, have some really good audio performance and sound, and they do not fold. These are fixed headphones. They do have adjustable headbands, as I showcased earlier, but they do not fold. And I gotta tell y'all, Audio-Technica is actually really big in the headphone space. And they're known for making some very good, high quality performance headphones. Okay? And I feel as though these headphones are gonna be no different. So, without further ado now, let me try them on and give y'all my first impressions of the overall fit and feel. Okay? So, one thing that I gotta say is kind of awkward in terms of first impressions. All your buttons are on the left ear cup. Now, I'm used to having all my buttons on the right ear cup, but all your buttons are on the left ear cup, so that kind of caught me by surprise. But let's throw it on now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. And I gotta tell y'all, with the headphones on now, in terms of first impressions, these fit great. And I actually have my fan going, and I can't even hear my fan. Like, I hear the low hiss of the fan, but I can't hear anything aside from that. And then I can barely hear myself talk. But in terms of the overall comfort with these headphones, in terms of first impressions, I have to say they are feeling top notch indeed. Okay, let me take some photos for you guys and gals so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let's take some shots of the profiles, and then we'll wrap the video up. Okay, so real quick front profile here. Oh yeah, I like the look of that too. That's looking mad clean too. Okay, and then let's do one side. Boom. And let's do the other side. Boom. And let me see how they turned out. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Once again, my bald head is giving the iPhone problems, but not bad. Let me show y'all real quickly. Let me show y'all. Get a look at this, y'all. So here's the front profile, okay? And honestly, I like that look. They go completely over my ears, and they are extremely comfortable. And then here's one side. Again, looking really clean, and I do like the fact that they come in all black. And then here's the other side. Good stuff there indeed. Alright? Alright, so that's a real quick shot of the profiles for everyone. Let me take them off real quick. And now I can hear. Wearing the headphones, it's kind of like everything got muted except for the low hiss of the fan and I could barely hear my voice. But now I can hear, now everything sounds back to normal. And I feel as though once I start using these and I set them to a nice comfortable volume, I should more than be able to drown out my surroundings and fully immerse myself in whatever I want to do with the headphones. Now, these particular headphones do not have any water resistance rating or sweat proof rating, so I will not be using them in the gym, but I will be using them around the house, and I will be using them for editing purposes and general usage purposes. That was one of the main reasons why I was interested in picking up these headphones, for editing, general usage purposes, and just using them casually around the house. Alright, so my full review for these headphones should take a little bit longer than most because the battery life on these is actually really good, okay? And just using them for regular usage, not taking them to the gym, I feel as though it's going to take me forever to drain the battery on these for the battery testing that I like to do at the different volume levels that I do it. So this full review is definitely going to take me some time, okay? It's definitely going to take me some time. But if this video piqued your interest and or you found this video helpful, you guys and gals know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. If you would like to see more content like this, also feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. As always, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up these headphones for yourself or any other product or accessory featured in the video today, all the affiliated buy links as to where you guys and gals can pick up the headphones or anything featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So down below in the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. And as the name implies, the video description does contain affiliated buy links, meaning if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate buy links, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links, in my opinion, a win-win for everyone. Okay? Today's video was recorded with the primary rear-facing camera on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, and I am using my professional studio lights here today. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality and what you think of the overall audio quality as well as the lighting down below in the comments. Remember, guys and gals, to keep your comments respectful, please. And also remember, I do answer all questions in a timely fashion. That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, let me get to testing these, man. I can't wait. I was so excited when these finally went on sale and I could pick them up. Yes, I feel as though I'm really going to enjoy these. I'll see you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We're out of here. Peace.